Good evening. In this video session, I would like to explain about the heat engine cycles. There are four types of heat engine cycles. One is Carnot cycle. Second one is Otto cycle. And third one is diesel cycle. And fourth one is dual cycle. And the Carnot cycle will be having four processes. In one process, we have 1, 2 isothermal, compression, and then another process, adiabatic compression. Adiabatic compression. This is isothermal heat addition, and then adiabatic expansion, isothermal heat rejection. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is Carnot cycle. And next one is this is Otto cycle. In this Otto cycle, we have first one is compression, constant volume heat addition Q1, expansion, constant volume heat rejection Q1, Q2, and here we are getting the work W out. This is Otto cycle. And in the diesel cycle, we have compression, constant pressure heat addition Q1, expansion, and constant volume heat rejection Q2. This is VP. This is VP. This is VP. And this is called diesel cycle. And in other cycle, this is called dual cycle. And in this, compression will be there, compression of fuel. And in the heat addition will take place in two steps. One is constant volume heat addition and constant pressure heat addition. Both will take place. And then constant volume heat rejection will take place. So this is our dual cycle. So in coming video sessions, one video session will see Carnot cycle and will derive the expressions for the efficiency of Carnot cycle and amount of work done of the Carnot cycle. And in other Otto cycle also we see efficiency and work done expressions for diesel and dual also. So thank you for watching this small video session.